Hey guys, it's Poonam here and welcome to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, then hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so that you're notified every time I post a new video. So in today's video, I'll be giving you some tips and tricks to get a perfect manicure. I'll be using this fluorescent pink color and I don't know why it looks like orange, but trust me, it's fluorescent pink. Anyways. Now, I have seen many people applying polish directly on their nails and even on their skin. So ladies, stop. I'm here to save you. Rule number 1. Always apply the base coat before applying your polish. It helps to prevent your nail from getting stained and makes your polish last longer. Also, it makes your nails stronger. Now, to get a perfect polish on your nails, you can get a latex or glue or can even use a tape. Easy DIY. So wrap it around your nails just like a mummy and apply the polish. Start by applying at the center and then moving towards the left and right. And once you are done, remove the tape and there it is, a perfect polish on your nails. Have you ever wondered how people get those straight lines on their nails? Now here's the trick. Cut a strip of tape. Now the size literally doesn't matter because it depends on how you want your nail art to look. Now apply the polish and make sure you don't apply over the tape. This is the perfect way to get different design on your nails. I have done many nail art using this technique in my previous video, so do check them out. And then slowly remove the tape and ta-da! It looks so complicated, yet it is so simple. Now if you want a simple yet classy look, then polka dot is what you need on your nails. You can use a dotting tool or pens or a nail art tool to create dots of different size. You can always design them in different ways. Check out my polka dot tutorial and you'll get an idea. Now if you want a glam nail look, then you can never go wrong with a glitter top coat. Look at that. I love glitters and their shine. It is always satisfying to watch it. So apply the top coat. Now you can just apply and cover the whole nail to make it look as if it is dipped in glitter. Or you can apply a base color and then apply the glitter top coat. It is so shiny, I love it. If you are tired of all these DIY and need some simple trick to look your nails amazing, then nail art stickers are the best way to make your nails look amazing. You can combine different nail stickers to create the look. I've also done a tutorial on how to apply these nail stickers, so you can just check them out. I got so obsessed by the glitter top coat that I applied on the empty area using a brush. It literally turned out great and it looks amazing. Here's the last tip of the day. Apply a top coat to seal your polish. Why? Because it gives you a perfect finish. Also, it gives a perfect shine. So here are some of my tips and tricks to get a perfect manicure. Hope you guys liked it. Let me know in the comment section below and make sure you like and subscribe this channel for more amazing videos. Bye!